Hello and welcome. It is so good to have you here with me today. We are going to take a short journey together. It is a journey to a very calm and peaceful place. If you enjoy this time with me, please give this a thumbs up. It helps others find this quiet corner of the world too. If you would like more moments like this, please think about subscribing. We are going to leave our busy lives behind for just a little while. Our destination is a beautiful lagoon on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. It is called Makaiwa Beach Park in a place named Ko'olina. Here the world seems to slow down, and our souls can find some rest. Today, we will just sit and watch. Our special place, Makaiwa Beach Park, is located on the leeward coast of Oahu. This side of the island is known for being sunny and dry. It is the opposite of the windward side, which gets more rain. The leeward coast feels warm and welcoming. It is a place where the sun seems to shine a little brighter. The area is called Ko'olina, which means place of joy. And when you arrive, you understand why. The air feels happy. The landscape is beautiful. We have arrived at our lagoon. It is called Makaiwa. This is the third lagoon in the chain of 4 here in Ko'olina. Makaiwa feels especially peaceful. It is framed by a perfect crescent of soft white sand. The beach is not very wide, which makes it feel intimate and private. Tall, graceful palm trees stand along the edge of the grass behind the sand. Their long leaves sway gently in the breeze, creating soft, shifting shadows on the ground below. A beautiful paved pathway connects all the lagoons. It winds along the coast, a perfect place for a slow and thoughtful walk. Looking out from the beach, you see the dark, volcanic rocks that form the protective barrier. The surface is like glass, reflecting the sky above. It is early morning at Makaiwa Lagoon. The sun is just beginning its journey into the sky. The light is soft and golden. Long, gentle shadows fall across the sand. The air is cool and fresh. A clean, salty smell rises from the water. The sweet scent of tropical flowers drifts from the gardens. As the morning turns into midday, the sun is high in the sky. It is bright and warm now. It is a brilliant white light that makes everything sparkle. The colors of the lagoon are at their most vibrant: turquoise, aquamarine, sapphire. But it is never truly crowded here. Children laugh as they build sandcastles. You see people floating on their backs in the calm water, their eyes closed, just soaking in the sun and the peace. A few snorkelers swim slowly along the rock barrier. They move with a slow, steady rhythm, their paddles dipping into the water with a quiet splash. Even with more people and more activity, the feeling of peace remains. The gentle rhythm of the waves continues its soft song. Let us take a moment to notice the small things. The things you might miss if you are moving too quickly. Watch the white foam as it fizzes and disappears, and then it slowly dries to a lighter color. Feel the air on your skin. There is the sweet, perfume-like scent of plumeria flowers. Look closely into the clear water near the shore. Tiny silver fish darting back and forth. Their scales catch the sunlight and flash like little jewels. They seem to know that this is a safe place for them, too. Watching them go about their busy underwater lives is like looking into another world, a quiet and beautiful world that exists right at your feet. As the afternoon begins to fade, a special time of day arrives. It is often called the golden hour. The bright white light of midday softens. It makes the sand glow like honey. The whole world seems to be bathed in a soft, beautiful light. The beach becomes emptier and quieter again. They are waiting for the show to begin. People walking along the pathway are just dark shapes moving through the golden light. The water of the lagoon becomes a mirror for the sky. The gentle ripples on the surface break up the reflection into 1,000 shimmering pieces of light. It is a time of incredible beauty, a time that feels sacred. The final act of the day begins. The sun, now a perfect glowing orange ball, touches the edge of the ocean. The path of its light across the water is a brilliant, shimmering road of gold. And then, in a final quiet flash, it disappears completely below the horizon. In fact, the most beautiful part is just beginning. These colors are painted across the entire western sky, but a photograph can never truly show how it feels to be there. to feel the last warmth of the day on your skin. The lights on the pathway turn on, casting a soft yellow glow. It is the sound that will continue all through the night. It is the heartbeat of the ocean, a steady and reassuring presence. The peace of the lagoon is now complete. We have spent a whole day together at Makaiwa Lagoon, from the first light to the last. We did not do much. We watched. We listened. We felt. We followed the simple, natural rhythm of the day. It reminds us of the importance of stillness. But here, the greatest achievement is to do nothing at all. It is full of a quiet joy that we often miss. I hope this short journey has brought some of that peace to you, wherever you are. If you enjoyed our quiet escape, please remember to give this a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more moments of calm and reflection. Thank you again. Be well and be still. Aloha. As you continue along the shoreline, Ko Olina reveals itself as more than beaches. It's a coastal community designed for balance, luxury nature side by side. On Oahu's sunny leeward coast, about 30 minutes west of Honolulu, the pace softens. 4 curving lagoons, including Makaiwa, calm the Pacific into safe, clear waters. Walkways link them all. Morning joggers, evening strollers, always the ocean at your side. Families float snorkel near the rock barriers, content in the quiet. Development reshaped old coastal farmland, yet kept views. Green space, public access. Landmarks rise with restraint. Alani, 4 seasons, framing sea and sky. From the marina, boats slip out for snorkeling, dolphin encounters, slow sunset sails. Fairways at Ko Olina Golf Club meet trade winds and volcanic backdrops. Across the day, the mood shifts. Soft mornings, bright afternoons, glowing evenings. Clearer west side skies promise steady sunshine and unforgettable sunsets. Culture weaves through it all. Music, hula, stories that echo older shores. Ancient canoe paths once crossed these calm waters. You're standing in their wake. Modern yet rooted. Relaxed yet vibrant. Luxury in service of the sea. Ko Olina complements the wild, inviting you to pause, breathe, and simply watch the tide. As afternoon thins into evening, Ko Olina's shoreline shifts into quiet anticipation. The light turns tender, the air cools, the coast prepares for its daily masterpiece, sunset over the Pacific. Out at Makaiwa Beach Park, people arrive as if answering an unspoken call. Cameras, blankets, bare feet. Some come to capture it, others just to feel it. Blue eases to pale gold. The lagoon mirrors the sky like polished glass, every ripple a ribbon of light. Palms darken into silhouettes, swaying in the trade winds. Photographers know the hour. Shadows lengthen, colors saturate. The ordinary turns luminous. Couples trace the water's edge, footprints fading under soft waves. Kids chase the foam. Paddleboarders hover between sea and sky. Then, the sun kisses the horizon. Orange blooms into crimson and rose. Cloud edges catch fire, their colors spilling across Ko Olina's calm lagoons. Turquoise water melts to gold, then copper. Voices fall away. Time slows. New tones appear. Lavender, coral, a hush of twilight purple. Walk the linked lagoons. Every curve frames a new view. Palms bracketing the sun. Sailboats gliding home beneath it. Peace settles in. The day exhales. The last sliver slips beneath the ocean. Sometimes applause rises, strangers sharing a single, perfect moment, and the afterglow lingers. Violet to indigo. First stars, pathway lanterns begin to glow, guiding quiet steps beside the water. Waves sound clearer now. Here, you understand why people return. The ocean resets the day. The sunset closes the chapter. For travel photo pathways, it's a reminder. Not every journey moves. Sometimes you stand still and watch the world change color.